I'm going to show you how to fix the error 15,000 in Parsec, which is basically host is using software encoding. So the first thing you will need to do is open up Parsec and click on the settings tab from here. And then you will need to make sure that your GPU supports hardware encoding, and you can enforce the settings or the encoder to use the hardware encoding by going to the host tab and then scroll down and find the encoding entry in the settings or the hardware encoding. And if you can't find it, you can basically scroll all the way down, click on edit the configuration file directly. It should open up the config file in Notepad or text editor. Then you will need to type the following in a new in a new line, encoder underscore selection equals, and then the number of the settings or the encoder settings, one for NVIDIA ENV encoder, two for AMD AMF encoder, and three for Intel Quick encoder. Usually you want to have it to 1. Usually you want to have the selection set to 1 and then click on File Save. Now you can close the settings file and make sure to disable software encoding as well. Go back to the settings, client, and then scroll down. And for the decoder, set it to NVIDIA or whatever other AMD encoder, whatever you have here. Except software. If it's set to software, switch it to the other option and make sure to turn off the H.265. Now you gotta restart Parsec, but before doing that, make sure that you have the latest GPU update. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you will need to install the NVIDIA app and open it up. And in the NVIDIA app, you have to go to the drivers tab. And from here, you should be able to check for the latest game ready driver or studio driver and make sure to download and install the latest available update. And then you can click on your taskbar here, right click on Parsec and restart to restart Parsec, or you can quit it from here and basically right click on it and run as admin if you want. It's pretty much the same. Now, one last thing to check if that doesn't solve the problem is if you have softwares like OBS or Streamlabs running in parallel with Parsec, that might cause problems as well, because these apps are using the encoders as well, which can limit the encoder sessions and cause that error. Sometimes Discord, Shadowplay, and NVIDIA Broadcast also cause that error if they are running simultaneously with Parsec. So try to make sure that none of these apps are running or close them just to see if that solves the problem. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. See you on the next one.